Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will draw a religious pilgrimage undertaken by the warkari known as Wari. Wari is an annual pilgrimage in Maharashtra where thousands of warkaris walk to Pandharpur to worship Lord Vittal. It ends on a Shadi Ekadashi and includes devotional singing, dancing and carrying palanquins of saints like Sant Tukram and Sant Nayanshwa. The tradition reflects deep faith, unity and simplicity and has continued for centuries. Let's start with drawing our first character who is leading the Wari with a dolki in his hands. Use basic shapes and lines in the first stage. Later we will add details. Next, draw the warkari behind him. Use simple shapes like oval for the head, rectangle for the torso, and simple lines to indicate the limbs. Now draw the woman who is carrying a plant on her head. We add details later once we have a rough composition sketched out. Doing the rough sketching, keep a free hand and also check proportion and perspective as well. And finish the sketch with the pilgrims holding Palki and other pilgrims around. Now we'll move on to adding details like costume and the expression of the characters. While drawing with us, remember to adapt the technique of simplifying the figure and the whole scene. Once you are done with the details, draw in the background. Keep in mind the perspective as the things are further from us, they appear short. Take your time and compare with our sketch. Let's move on to coloring the sketch once you are done with the background. Carefully color the sketch and keep in mind the source of light and also how the shadows will appear. Take your time, understand the form, and then color the figures and the props. And there we have it, a wonderful scene of a Wari. Share with us on Instagram your drawings and tag us. We will feature some of the drawings on our channel. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.